Hi everyone, Sal Khan here from Khan Academy, and I just wanted to remind you that we are a not-for-profit and we can only exist through donations from folks like yourself. Our goal is for everyone to reach their potential. Potential is everywhere. Unfortunately, access is not, and that's what Khan Academy exists to change. We are trying to reach tens of millions of students around the world, students in historically under-resourced communities, working with school districts in the US, working with stakeholders from around the planet to make sure that students have a way to fill in their gaps, learn at their own time and pace, have access to truly rigorous course materials. So I encourage you to think about supporting Khan Academy. The social return on investment on Khan Academy, we're about the budget of a large high school, but we reach already a chunk of humanity, and we want to reach many, many more with over 140 million registered users today and hopefully billions going forward. So please think about making a donation. If you've benefited from Khan Academy, you know from folks who've benefited from Khan Academy, or maybe most importantly, if you want to see tens to hundreds of millions to billions of other students benefit from these resources, please think about making a donation. Thank you.